Sneezing back then in the day, sneezing was believed to expel part of the soul or open the body to spirit invasion. Spirit invasion, as in, what's that word that I'm looking for? Not paranormally activated, when you get possessed. Sancho means check on your wife because she's getting corked by another man. That's what it means. The real esoteric meaning is an offering, welcoming solar energy, symbolic of inviting life force, clarity, and awakening. The Egyptians and the Druids in rituals, the sun entry was a daily renewal on site. Many Jews, still to this day, and cemeteries practice putting all of these places facing east when the sun goes up. Why? So that when the sun comes in, it brings in new life into their dormitories.